The Supreme Court's interpretation of Section 15 of the Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act (POCSO) represents a significant legal position on child pornography. Here's a historical context and detailed analysis of the law in this judgment. Background of POCSO Act and Section 15. The Protection of Children from Sexual Offences Act, 2012 POCSO, was established to safeguard children from sexual abuse, harassment, and exploitation. It provides specific legal frameworks for reporting, investigating, and prosecuting such crimes. The Act places the onus on the state to ensure children's safety, particularly from online sexual exploitation, which has seen a rise with the growth of digital media. Section 15 of POCSO specifically addresses the offense related to the storage or possession of child pornographic material with the intent to share, transmit, or distribute. According to this section, individuals who knowingly possess, store, or attempt to distribute child pornographic material can be prosecuted. This section is designed to prevent the dissemination of child pornographic content and protect children from exploitation in digital spaces. Supreme Court judgment, expanding the definition of possession. In a landmark ruling, the Supreme Court interpreted possession, under Section 15 to include simply viewing child pornography online, even without downloading it. The court's stance was that viewing online content, even without storage or downloading, could be considered possession if the user voluntarily accessed the content with knowledge of its nature. This interpretation aims to close potential loopholes in the digital consumption of child pornography, ensuring that individuals do not exploit the online medium simply by claiming non-possession due to lack of downloading or local storage. Key points of the judgment. The court's judgment emphasized the following points. A. Intent of possession. The mere act of viewing child pornography could imply intent to possess or use such material, which aligns with Section 15 goal to restrict access and spread of child pornographic content. Though child protection priority, this interpretation places children's rights and protections above privacy claims for viewer of online content. The court held that protecting children from exploitation must take precedence. Theme. Digital evidence consideration. Viewing material without downloading can still leave digital traces, such as browsing history or cache files. The court stated that such digital evidence could indicate possession and intent to view prohibited content. Legal and social implications of the judgment. This judgment has had significant legal and societal impacts. Strict accountability. It underscores zero tolerance for child exploitation, even for passive or non-distributive viewing of child pornographic content online. Digital jurisprudence. It reflects the court's recognition of technological realities, where possession can occur in transient forms such as viewing without downloading and still lead to potential harm. Global legal influence. The judgment aligns with similar legal stances worldwide, where access to child pornography, regardless of intent to distribute, is criminalized to protect minors. Historical significance. The judgment is part of a larger trend in Indian and international law that seeks to proactively tackle child exploitation in all forms. It emphasizes a broad interpretation of possession and storage to adapt to digital forms of content consumption. Higher accountability standards for individuals accessing illicit content online. An effort to harmonize India's child protection laws with global standards to combat child pornography and safeguard minors' rights in digital spaces. This expanded interpretation is seen as a progressive step in India's child protection laws, reinforcing the state's commitment to eliminating child exploitation, both offline and online.